Assalamualaikum guys. I hope that all of you are in the best of health and mood. Today's main topic is essay writing. In today's video, I'll tell you how to write an essay according to board pattern. First of all, I'll tell you the meaning of essay. Guys, the word essay means an attempt. An essay is an attempt at writing a short literary composition on any subject, usually in prose. Writing an essay has basically two goals. First is the writer must have a clear-cut idea of the facts to be described in the essay. Guys, the second goal is he or she must have a good storehouse of vocabulary to express his or her ideas impressively using correct and beautiful language. So we can say that an essay is a regular, well-connected written piece dealing with one topic or subject. Guys, here I have written few things which you have to keep in your mind while writing an essay. First of all, we will discuss about the four main types of essays. First is descriptive essays. Guys, these essays describe person, place, thing, animal, plant or other things, giving facts about them in general. The second type of essay is narrative essays. These essays narrate events like visits, journeys, matches, stories. Third kind of essays, reflective essays. These essays deal with abstract types like habits, feelings, social topics and qualities. The fourth one type is imaginative essays. These essays deal with topic on basis of imagination only. They include wishes, life stories of things, and adventure of some man and animal. Guys, I have written here three essential part of essays. First is introduction, second is body, and third is conclusion. First of all, we will discuss about introduction. How can we write introduction of any specific topic or subject? The starting part of the essay is called introduction, which consists of starting paragraphs, title, and the central idea of the essay is described in the first sentence of paragraph. Guys, basically introduction introduces the essay. It should be brief and to the point. It hints at the key note of the essay. It is better to begin an essay with a popular quotation or proverb. It serves as the foundation of the essay. Now guys, I have told you how to start an essay. Now come to the second essential part of essay, body. The body of an essay is its main part. It deals with the prominent effects, ideas, illustration, examples, and the personal views of the writer also. It must be written in well-framed sentences that are connected to one another in a logical manner. It must not be a collection of ideas, but they must be written and explained in a chain based on proper grading and logical reasoning. Guys, the second part of the essay body consists of important and information regarding the title in which different aspects of the topic are discussed. One thing more, you can write the negative and positive effect of the given topic or subject while writing the body of the essay. Now guys, I'll tell you how to write conclusion of an essay. The last part of the essay conclusion must be clear and final opinion and result based sentences we have to write in conclusion. Guys, the conclusion of an essay should be striking but brief. The end must come in a natural manner because in this way it seems too good and authentic. It should not be sudden. Now students, I tell you how to write the conclusion of an essay. Guys, basically in the last part of the essay, the clear and final opinion and result based sentences are written. The conclusion of an essay should be striking but brief. The end must come in a natural manner because in this way it seems too good and authentic. It should not be sudden. Now guys, I have told you few points for writing introduction, body and conclusion of an essay which you have to adopt. Now guys, move to important features of an essay writing which I have mentioned here. We will discuss them one by one. First is length. Guys, if you are student of 8th standard, then 3 sides of the page are enough. And if you are student of 10th or second year, then 5 to 6 sides of the pages are enough. Students don't need to write too much long essay, because in this way most students repeat the same thing, same incident again and again, and this thing seems too bad. Because repetition is not allowed while writing an essay. Guys, the second point is vocabulary. For writing an essay, you must have a good storehouse of vocabulary to express your views more beautifully and properly. Because if you have a good storehouse of vocabulary, then you can use different words in your essay writing. And this is the most attractive and beautiful thing of your essay. Guys, next point is mistakes. Avoid to commit too many mistakes while writing an essay, especially spelling mistakes, because this seems too bad. And due to spelling mistake, checker obviously deduct your marks as well. So try to overcome your spellings and grammatical mistakes while writing an essay or another English article. Next point is indentation. Now question is here, what is meant by indentation? Commonly some place is blanked before the first sentence of the paragraph, which is called indentation. Guys, you will write your essay in the form of paragraph. And paragraph should be started to write with the proper sentence according to central idea. Okay, and describe the final opinion in the last sentence of the paragraph, and then start the new paragraph. So each paragraph should be precise, simple, definite, and according to the title. And one thing more, avoid unnecessary explanation or description. Guys, one thing more which you will keep in your mind while writing an essay: complete your essay according to the topic and told sequence wise paragraphs. No need to write a random paragraph. In this way your essay just look like a foolish thing. Our next point is quotation. Guys, you can write 5 to 6 quotation in one essay, and you will write quotation in bold. And one thing more, keep in your mind, when you are writing any quotation, your quotation must be relevant to the material of previous and next paragraph. Next point is bold. I have told you earlier as well, you will write quotation in bold. And if you are writing an essay about Quaid-e-Azam, then you can write his date of birth and death in bold as well. Our next and last point is tenses. Guys, while writing introduction and body of an essay, we can use present tense. And if we are writing an essay about any dead personality like Quaid-e-Azam, who has dead now, we can use past tense. And while writing conclusion of the essay, we can use present and future both tenses, because basically we are giving our own views and opinion in writing conclusion about any specific topic or subject. Guys, this is a format of modern essay writing. I hope you will adopt it and get good marks, inshallah. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.